snake bite and symptoms. Snake bite can be dangerous. If the snake is poisonous, it needs immediate emergency medical help. Snake bite may be fatal if not treated quickly. The main symptoms of snake bites are bleeding from wound, blurred vision, convulsion, fainting, numbness and tingling, rapid pulse, tissue death, severe pain, skin discoloration, weakness, thirst. Some do's in case of snake bite. Keep the person calm and keep the affected area below the level of ear to reduce the flow of venom. Remove rings or constricting items as this area may swell. Some don'ts. Do not allow the person to become overexerted. Do not scratch the area. Do not try to suck venom by mouth. Do not give medication without doctor's suggestion. Do not raise the area of bite above the level of the person's heart.